Hi all. In this session, we will be seeing the scripting language, job control language. So what the JCL will do? JCL acts as an interface between the OS, which is Jet by OS, and with a programming language. Here, the programming language may be COBOL or some other language. Every task executed on the mainframe system is treated as a job, and it is submitted by JCL to the operating system. So we can use the JCL for various purposes. So we can use it for compiling program. We can use the JCL for executing the program. We can use the JCL to create various data sets for creating the data sets. It may be PS files, PDS, or it may be JDG base, or GDG generations, or VSAM clusters as well. It is also used to copy the data from one file to the other file. It may be a PS to PS. We can copy the data, or we can copy the members from one PDS to the other PDS. We can do that by using JCL. For copying purpose also it is used. And even we can merge the data as well. We can merge the data of two PS files into one PS file, or we can merge the members of two PDS into one PDS. Even that can be done. We can compare two PS files or two PDS members. We can sort the data. So these are various uses of JCL. Now coming to the statements of JCL. We have total 8 statements for JCL, which starts with the first one, which is job statement. The second one is the exec statement. Third one is the DD statement. Fourth one is the proc. Fifth one is the pend, which is proc end. Sixth one is JCL lib. Seventh one is set. Eighth one is null. So these are the 8 statements which are there in JCL. Now, the JCL will be having a structure which we need to follow in order to code the program. For all the statements like job, exec, DD, and proc, this structure is applicable. We need to follow the same structure for all these things. So especially job, exec, DD, and proc, we need to follow the same structure. So we will be having different columns like say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that, we'll be having up to 80 columns in the JCL. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, Like that, we'll be having up to 80 columns. So we will be following a structure here. First two columns are identifiers. Identifiers in the sense we'll be having the backslashes. So those things are known as identifiers. Each and every statement or each and every line will start with the identifiers, except the things which are there inside the control card. And third one to 10th one. So this particular place will be having the job name up to here. So from third one to 10th one, we'll be having the job name here, up to here, up to 10th position in the mainframe. So 11th position will be SS. And from 12th to 50th position, we'll be having operands. So we'll be having various operands, which we'll be saying. Okay, here it will be the it may be the job name or it may be the step name. Here the operands may be job, or for the step we'll be having exec. For the DD statement we'll be having DD. And after that, from 16th onwards, we can start the parameters, which are positional and keyword parameters. Positional as well as keyword parameters. And from 73 onwards, we'll be having comment section. So comments can be done at 73. So this is a structure which we need to follow for JCL. So this is positional and keyword parameters. It will fit here. Positional parameters and keyword parameters. Both are parameters. And from 73 onwards, we'll be having the comments. So from 16 to 71, we'll be having the positional parameters and keyword parameters, and 72 is the space, and from 73 to 80 is the comments. So this is a structure which a JCL will follow. So if it is a job card, we'll be having job name and operand as the, if it is a job card. So it will be something like this. First two are identifiers, and we'll be having the job name and operand as job name will be up to 8 characters or 8 bytes, and operand will be having as the job for job card. And positional parameters and keyword parameters, we have different positional parameters. We have two positional parameters. One is accounting information and the other one is the program ID. And keyword parameters, we have almost 10 keyword parameters, which we'll be discussing in the upcoming session. And later on, it will go with the comments. So this is how the job card will be there. And if it is a step card, exact card set or step. So we'll be having a step name for that, and the operand will be step. Sorry, exec. Extremely sorry for that. Exec. Operand is exec, and we'll be having positional parameter, PGM or proc, and we'll be having other keyword parameters also like condition, region, time, palm, etc. for exec statement. So each and every statement like job, exec, and DD will be having positional and also keyword parameters, which we'll be discussing in the upcoming sessions in detail. Now coming to the DD statement, for that also we'll be having the DD name. So first we'll be having the DD name, and the operand is DD, and we'll be having the position and keyword parameters for that as well. So this is how we need to code. We need to follow a structure to code the programs inside a JCL. So this is about the structure of the JCL. These are all the statements, and these are the functions of the JCL. So in the upcoming session, we'll be seeing only the job card or the job statement. and also the positional and keyboard parameters which are there in the job statement. Yes, thank you.